Wow, did anyone see the markets in the past 4 days? They rose dramatically. I mean, I told you about a week ago that we weren't going to see major dips like we saw in the middle part of last month. 4 days the silver markets rose. Right now, it has passed $38.50 an ounce. That's for silver. My AGQ shares have risen 4%. It's right now at $235. Impressive. Silver Wheaton rose 3%. Depressingly, on the other hand, there was one stock that I had. It was an equity that I really was interested in. Great Panther Silver. It declined 2%. This thing wasn't really worth it. And what I really found out was that I began to track the equities for the past 2 years, and Great Panther Silver was not very correlated to the real price of silver. So there was a lot of unexpectations to be seen. And there was one that I found that had very large influence of the correlation of the values of silver, and it actually would rise a lot faster, and there were no surprising dips that I would expect. And that equity was called AG. That's the ticker. And today it rose 8%. Basically, AG is a very trustworthy company. It doesn't have slides that are unexpected, and basically it is very, very correlated to the price of silver. As a matter of fact, it's moving just as fast as the AGQ shares. It's, in other words, about twice as fast as silver. And again, I think you should get into it despite the fact that it's right around $23 a share. You know, people think, oh, $23 is not very volatile security, and basically, when you look at its track for the past 2 years, it has been very, very fast and tremendously impressive. Well, oil actually hit $108 a barrel. Gas prices are going to continue to rise out of control. And this is like a kind of a flashback to 2008. Whenever oil prices rise, the indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, they struggle a lot. And that's what happened. When oil prices rose, the stock market actually fell. And we're going to see that in the coming months to come, because the stock market is going to struggle, and basically it's not going to be as speculated as it has been for more than 2 years. Gold is, I believe, reaching its all-time high. It's $1,430. Grains rose 2%. And as a matter of fact, the mortgage rates, a lot of interest rates basically, credit card payments, bond rates, but the mortgage rates, I just looked at it according to Zillow, the 30-year mortgage rates actually rose, and it has been rising a little bit over the past few months. So basically, if you want low interest rates, most likely you should lock in. But then again, I've mentioned before, real estate has a lot of downsides. And even if you can pay off the mortgage and pay the monthly costs, even if it's not an ARM mortgage, still there's a lot of other costs: maintenance, property taxes, Melrose, insurance, utilities, and so forth. So you really have to know what you're getting into. In fact, I'm interested in agriculture, and I will pretty soon have a clip about agriculture and moving to a rural area pretty soon. All right. Well, everyone, good luck. I'm very, very impressed about this move. And if you can't, stay tuned and subscribe, and have a great day.